Okay, this time I'm going to show you a little bit different way to create a PDF out of a file that's larger than you can fit on a piece of paper, but if for some reason you don't have any other program on your computer than Autodesk Fusion 360. Here's a way you could make that happen. We're going to go to Modify and Split Body. I'm going to turn on my origin block. I'm going to select the body I'd like to split, click on Splitting Tool Selection, and select that plane right there. Now when I click OK, I've got myself two separate bodies. And I'm going to create a new component. Up here at New Component, or Create New Component. And I'm going to go into this main body and grab that second body and just click and drag it right into that new component. So now I've got two totally separate components that are mirrored right next to each other. And now I can go drawing from design, and I'm going to unselect full assembly. I'm going to select the one that I'd like to put on my page. And now I can select my good old 8.5 by 11 that my printer has. Don't forget to set it to a 1:1 scale. Place it in the middle of the page. And shut off that display title block checkbox. Now from there I can do the same process of outputting my PDF, calling it whatever I want, and then I've got a PDF of it. So now I could go back and do the same thing. With the other half. And I think that's about all you need to see to be able to take this larger than a page drawing and stick it on a normal sized page without using any other program but Fusion 360. And you could keep breaking this up into as small pieces as you needed for your project. Alright, hopefully this answered your questions, and if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next tutorial. Thanks.